When you see the COOCKOO eyes, you can be sure it's a Tornado that's built to last. The Tornado is a premium dog toy made of the highest quality rubber and ergonomically designed to ensure hours of pleasure for your canine friend. Get an excellent grip on the Tornado with rope to play together with your dog. With the rope firmly anchored on the inside of your Tornado with an ABS ring, it's a veritable tug-of-war for you and your dog. Additionally, the Tornado also comes no strings attached. Without a rope, the Tornado is perfect for filling with dog biscuits and other goodies. Thanks to its perfect shape, the ribbed exterior allows you to slather the Tornado with delicious treats for your dog. While obviously intended for outdoor use, the Tornado cleans up easily. Simply rinse off the toy under the tap and toss it in the dishwasher. The possibilities are endless when it comes to filling the Tornado. Just make sure you know what your dog can and can't eat. When choosing which Tornado is best for your dog, it's easy. The bigger the dog, the bigger the toy. That's why the Tornado comes in a variety of sizes, ranging from F1 to F4. The Tornado is also available in a range of eye-catching colors, with a choice of gunmetal gray, Indian red, and petrol green. See the reverse side of the packaging for instructions on how to use your Tornado. Whether a tiny twister for your terrier or a cyclone for your shepherd, discover which Tornado is best for your dog and you'll have created a nearly indestructible friendship. Tornado, a storm of fun for your dog.